Good boy. Woo. Very good. You gonna walk some more? Yay! Oops. Ran into a wall. Shall we turn around? Okay, let's turn it around. Ready? Hold on. We're turning around. Good boy. All right, you ready? Go for it. You gonna go to your ball pit? Come on. Roxanne. Go walking. Roxanne, stop please. Go on. Walk. Whoops. Here you go. Now try. Oops, you ran into my shoe. Ugh. Okay, now try. Look at you, Mr. Walker.